How to save big and invest smarter. Top money hacks for 2025. 2025 isn't about grinding harder with money, it's about getting smarter. Between AI-powered tools, higher interest opportunities, and more ways to automate wealth building than ever, this year rewards people who plan strategically. Here's a fresh, practical, and future-ready guide to saving more and investing better without feeling deprived. Part 1. Save big without killing your lifestyle. 1. Pay yourself first, but make it invisible. The easiest way to save. Don't rely on willpower. Automate transfers to savings the moment your income hits. Use multiple savings buckets. Emergency, travel, investing, fun. Increase savings automatically when income rises. If you never see it, you won't miss it. 2. The 48-hour rule for spending. Impulse buys are wealth killers. Wait 48 hours before any non-essential purchase. Add it to a later list. Most items won't survive the wait. This alone can save thousands per year. Delayed gratification, instant net worth boost. 3. Kill the silent leaks. Small recurring expenses add up brutally. Audit subscriptions every 3 months. Cancel anything unused for 30+ days. Negotiate internet, phone, and insurance annually. Cutting $100, $1,200 saved effortlessly. 4. High interest is non-negotiable in 2025. Your savings account should work as hard as you do. Use high-yield savings for emergency funds. Park short-term cash where inflation won't eat it alive. Keep everyday checking balances lean. Part 2. Invest smarter, not riskier. 5. Automate investing like a pro. Consistency beats timing every time. Set automatic investments monthly or weekly. Dollar cost averaging reduces stress and mistakes. Treat investing like a fixed bill, not a choice. Boring investing is often the most profitable. 6. Diversify like it's mandatory because it is. One asset class is never enough. Mix stocks, bonds, ETFs, and alternative assets. Avoid betting everything on trends or hype. Global exposure matters more than ever. Concentration builds stories. Diversification builds wealth. 7. Invest in skills before speculation. The highest ROI asset in 2025. You. Learn high-income skills: AI, data, marketing, sales, tech. Use side income to accelerate investing. Reinvest raises and bonuses instead of lifestyle inflation. Your earning power is your greatest investment engine. 8. Use AI tech to outsmart old-school investing. 2025 rewards people who leverage technology. Use AI budgeting tools for spending insights. Portfolio trackers to rebalance automatically. Alerts for fees, tax efficiency, and drift. Let tech do the boring work. Focus on strategy. Part 3. Mindset hacks that multiply money. 9. Think in net worth, not income. High income means nothing without control. Track net worth monthly. Focus on asset growth, not just salary. Celebrate progress, not perfection. Wealth is what you keep, not what you earn. 10. Play the long game. The biggest money hack is patience. Avoid panic selling. Ignore short-term noise. Compound interest rewards consistency, not speed. Time in the market beats timing the market. Final takeaway. Saving big and investing smarter in 2025 isn't about extreme frugality or risky bets. It's about automation, intention, and leverage. Small smart moves, repeated consistently, can completely change your financial future. Start simple. Stay consistent. Let time do the heavy lifting.